Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Nur Hasana Widyaningsi. I am a teacher from SMPN 1 Cilin. Today, I would like to tell you a story entitled Widi and Fire's Friendship. In a small village, there was a little girl named Widi. After losing her parent in an accident, Widi lived with her grandparents in a small house on top of a hill. The house was far away from the village, so Widi had no friends to play with. Every day, Widi would only play with her grandparents' livestock. There was a goat she named Ambul because of its chubby body. There was a dog she named Si Putih. There was also a rooster who always woke up her in the morning, which she named Si Jago. Widi played with them while feeding them every day. These animals didn't just enjoy their food, but also loved to play with Widi. One day, Widi, Grandpa, and Ambul went to the field to harvest cassava and collect the grass for Ambul's livestock. While Grandpa was busy cutting grass, Widi sat under a pine tree and heard a soft hissing sound behind her. When she turned around, she was shocked to find a snake caught in a hunter's trap. The thing usually used to hunt jungle fowl, birds, rabbit, or other small animals. The snake looked like it was in pain. Its body was tangled in thin string and nearly injured. Widi was confused and shouted for her grandfather, "Grandpa, come here, look!" Grandpa quickly ran over to Widi. "What happened, dear?" Grandpa was even more shocked to see a snake near his granddaughter. "Be careful, stay back." Grandpa tried to free a snake from the trap. "Why you didn't kill it, Grandpa? People usually kill the snake." Widi asked curiously, surprised that Grandpa chose to help the snake rather than kill it. "The snake didn't harm us, dear. In fact, it's the one only needs our help. The snakes are also God's creature, so we should treat them kindly. Besides, this is a non-venomous snake," Grandpa explained. Widi looked excited by Grandpa's explanation. "Look, Grandpa, it's not living. Maybe it's hurt," Widi said, watching the orange-colored snake lying exhausted. Grandpa picked up the snake and took it home to treat its wound. Once they arrived at home, Grandpa looked after the snake until it fully recovered. 3 days later, when Grandpa was about to release the snake back into the forest, Widi felt uneasy. She was afraid the snake would get trapped again if it returned to the wild. Widi begged Grandpa to let her keep the snake at home. Grandpa agreed. Widi was very happy. Now she had a new friend. She named it Fire. Because of its bright color, like a fire. Thank you so much for listening. See you.